Assalamualaikum. This is Farah. Of course, it's another day and another video. And hindi ko nakalimutan ang aking Shepu Apple Juice. But before I say anything, of course, the active ingredients of Shepu Apple Juice ay L-carnitine, glutathione, Yersinia cambogia, sodium ascorbate, sweetened by stevia, 100% halal, at ang new packaging natin, it has probiotic and prebiotic. So, medyo nagwo-walking tayo and we need more energy for today. So, we're gonna make the Shepo Apple Juice. You know what's good with this one? Kasi yung sachet, kunin mo lang sa bag, dalhin mo anytime, anywhere. Pwede kang magtimpla. And ang importante kasi dito, syempre, as a Muslim, it's 100% halal. Bismillah. And at the same time, masarap. Pwede naman palang healthy yung iinumin mo ng masarap. Diba? Nagtitiis tayo sa mga hindi masarap, guys. Alright. So, itimpla natin siya. Medyo mahangin. Okay. By the way, guys, mga hindi pa nakakapag-try, this is actually mixed berries. Yun yung ano niya, yun yung flavor niya. So, hindi kayo mauumay kasi masarap siya talaga. Usually, I'm putting more water kasi gusto ko yung less na sweet siya. But anyways, let's have it now. Bismillah. Sakto lang. Ang sarap talaga, guys. So, to those who haven't tried, try it now. Shepu Apple Juice by Uglo Bay.